Good morning. I'm Dr. K. Sumati, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Economics, KCS Kosna College of Arts and Science. Introduction to Business Economics. Economic principles by themselves do not offer any ready-made solution applicable in the changing business world. After the Second World War, particularly after 1950s, with the expansion of business all over the world, the business managers were faced with many problems due to changing business environment and business problems. There was a gap between economic theory and the exact procedure they have to apply arrive correct decision in the treatment of business problem. The problem of business world attracted and attention of academicians, and this resulted in separate branch of knowledge which has come to known as business economics. Definition. According to Spencer and Sigelman, business economics is integration of economic theory with business practice for the purpose of facilitating decision making and forward planning by management. Business economics is a discipline which helps a business manager in decision making for achieving the desired results. It deals with the application of economic theory to business management. Nature and scope of business economics. Business economics deals with the decision process, decision model, and decision variables at the firm level. Decision making means a process of choosing one action from two or more alternatives available to the business executive, that is, it involves choice. Forward planning means establishing plans for the future. Business decisions are financial decision, production decision, personal decision, marketing decision, and miscellaneous decision like purchasing, etc. Scope of business economics. Business economics is a developing science which generates the countless problems to determine its scope in a clear-cut way. First one, demand analysis and forecasting. The foremost aspect regarding the scope is demand analysis and forecasting. A firm must decide its total output before preparing its production schedule and deciding on the resources to be employed. It deals with demand determinants, distinctions, forecasting, etc. Next, cost and production analysis. A firm's profitability depends much on its cost of production. Production cost and analysis is another aspect of study of business economics. It deals with cost concepts, classifications, cost input relationship, economies of diseconomies of scale, production function, and cost control are involved in cost analysis. Next, pricing decisions, policies, and practices. Firms' income and profits depend mainly on the price decisions, the pricing policies, and all such decisions are to be taken after the careful analysis of the nature of the market in which the firm operates. It deals with market structure analysis, pricing practices, and forecasting. Next, profit management. It is profit which provides the chief measures to the business. Economics say the profit or the reward for uncertainty bearing and risk taking. The successful manager not only estimates the costs and revenue at different levels of output but also reduce the uncertainties. Next, cost and management. The most challenging problem for the modern business manager is of planning capital investment. It requires top level decisions. It means capital management, planning and control of capital expenditure. It deals with cost of capital, rate of returns, and selection of projects. Importance of business economics. Business economics is the most significant subject of all social science. It is highly useful for analyzing and understanding the various economic problems. It brings utility to all the sections of the people. The theoretical and practical utility of business economics are: first, theoretical significance helps in understanding economic behavior. The study of business economics helps us to understand the economic behavior of human beings. Next, explains the working of the economic system. Business economics explains the conditions which influence the progress of the economy. It makes suggestions for overcoming the complicated problems faced by the people and the government in various economic systems. Next, provides intellectual value. The knowledge about the business economics sharpens the intellectual of individuals. It imports certain qualities such as rational behavior, proper allocation of resources, etc., which are highly useful for the business firm. Next, provides economic tools. Economics is considered as a box of economic tools. It provides a good knowledge regarding the nature, causes, and effects of various economic phenomena. Next, enables maintaining of economic growth. Business economics suggests various ways and means for maintaining the growth rates in the developed economies. It also deals the factors obstacles the economic growth of these countries. Next one, provides for economic development. Developing countries aims to achieving economic development within a short span of time. Business economics enable us to understand the natural conditions necessary for the successful organization of the business firm. Next one, provides knowledge about economic planning. Economic planning is an important branch of economics. Economics provides a good knowledge and information regarding the techniques of economic planning. It sharpens our mental ability by clearly explaining the types, aims, and objectives of economic plans. Practical significance. Useful to the finance minister. The study of business economics is highly useful to the finance minister and the personnel work in the financial department. It provides a good knowledge about public revenue, public debt, and public expenditure, which helps them in informing a sound financial policy and result-oriented budget. Next, useful to the Minister for Planning. The study of business economics is also useful to the Minister for Planning and his personnel. It furnishes a good knowledge about the various types of plans, mobilization, plan implementation, capital output ratio, investment strategy, etc. Next, useful to the bankers. Business economics is also useful to the bankers. It enables them to understand the nature, purpose, and implications of different economic policies employed by the business firms. Next one, useful to the trade union leaders. Knowledge of business economics is also significant for the trade union leaders. It helps the trade union leaders to understand the nature and causes of industrial disputes, wage problem, etc. Next one, useful for the businessman. Business economics is also useful to the businessman behavior. Knowledge about the business economics enable them to study the fluctuation in business prices, production, and employment. They can adopt a proper strategy for productive goods and services according to the change in demand. Useful to the statesman. Statesman will also get benefits by understanding the economic problem. It enables them to understand nature and causes of economic problems. It helps to the problems of unemployment, inflation, scarcity of goods, etc. Useful in solving international economic problem. International economic problem is important branch of economics. It deals with matters like terms of trade, balance of payment, export and imports, regulations. It also helpful to international problems to solve the economics theory. Thus, business economics has both theoretical and practical significance. Its study is useful in all subjects of the people. Thank you.